In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add account numbers in QuickBooks Online. Account numbers make your chart of accounts cleaner, easier to search, and more consistent across reports. Once they're turned on, you can assign a unique number to each account and keep everything organized with a system that fits your business. Start by heading to QuickBooks Online in your browser. Once you're in your company file, look to the top right for the Settings gear icon. Click it, then choose Account and Settings from the menu. A new window will open. On the left side, select the Advanced tab to access preferences that affect how your books behave. In the Advanced section, find Chart of Accounts, and click the Edit link to open its options. Here, you'll see a control to enable account numbers. Turn on the toggle to activate them. This switch tells QuickBooks to allow a number field for each account, and it also controls whether those numbers appear across your chart and reports depending on your view. Before you proceed, think about a simple numbering convention you'll use consistently. Many businesses group similar accounts together, such as assets in one range, liabilities in another, and income and expenses in their own ranges. Consistency helps your team recognize accounts at a glance and keeps reports tidy. When you're ready, click Save to confirm your change, then close the Settings window to return to the main screen. Now let's add a number to an individual account. In the left navigation, hover over or click Accounting to open its menu, then choose Chart of Accounts. You'll see your full list of accounts. Pick the account you want to update. On the right side of that row, open the drop-down in the Action column and select Edit. In the Edit window, look for the Number field. Type the account number you want to use. Keep your format consistent, whether that's 3, 4, or more digits, and avoid duplicates so reporting stays accurate. If you're numbering a new range, leave room in the sequence for future accounts you might add later. When the number looks good, click Save. You'll return to the chart, and you should now see the number alongside the account name. Repeat this process for any other accounts you want to number. With the feature enabled and your first numbers in place, your reports and lists will be more organized, and finding the right account will be faster and more reliable. That's it. Your account numbers are now set up in QuickBooks Online.